Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to learn harmonica notes step by step. Start by identifying blow and draw holes and number them 1 to 10, then practice single-hole breathing to produce clear tones. Focus on matching pitch by humming before playing, and use short practiced phrases to build muscle memory. Keep sessions short and regular, aiming for focused repeats and listening closely to correct small pitch errors as you go. Begin by learning the major scale and play it slowly across the holes, matching each note to a steady breath and clear tone. Use a metronome to maintain even timing and rehearse short scale fragments until they feel natural in your mouth and hands. Gradually increase tempo only when accuracy is consistent, and record practice to hear subtle mistakes. Consistent, focused practice sessions will build a reliable foundation for melodies and improvisation on the harmonica. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like if you are finding this video helpful. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long practice sessions and has a secure lid that won't spill while you move. It's a handy companion between takes and scales, and you can find the link and other deals in the description. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Start bending by isolating small mouth and throat movements while keeping breath steady and relaxed to change pitch gradually and safely. Focus on draw bends on lower holes to reach expressive blue notes, and practice them slowly until you can target precise pitches consistently. Once controlled, weave bends into simple riffs and short phrases to add character and emotion. Keep experimenting with subtle dynamics and timing to develop your unique harmonic voice on the instrument.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.